Welcome all. Welcome to the new video with new content. In this video, I'll be talking about API versioning. And before API versioning, before talking about API versioning, what we should know? We should know what is an API. Then we will understand what is an API versioning. The API stands for Application Programming Interface. You can say that it's a programming interface for the communication. So you can see in the diagram. So we have the server, we have the clients. The client, it could be the mobile, or the client could be some laptop or some machine or some service, right? So when we need a communication between two entities or two services, so through the internet we'll communicate, we know that. But for the communication, we need an API, we need an interface. So we can say that API, it is a programming interface, it is an intermediary between two entities for the communication. Say for example, the clients want some data from the server. Client will use the API to get the data from the server. Means the client will request the data and server will send the data back to the requested client. So once we have an API implemented, then if you guys don't know how to implement in API in .NET Core, please leave a comment in the comment box so that I can make a video on it. Okay. So I assume all of you know how we can implement APIs. And once we are done with the API implementations, we should understand what is an API version, right? So there are three major points that we need to understand before getting into the API versioning. So first we have to understand what is an API versioning. Then we have to understand what is the need of API versioning. What are the key reasons for API versioning? Do we have any benefit of the API versioning? Of course, we'll have the benefit of API versioning. Then finally, we will see what are the common versioning strategies that we can use to implement API versioning. In the next video, I'll be talking about what is an API versioning and what are the key reasons for API versioning, why do we need it, and finally we'll see what are the common strategies that we can use to implement API versioning. Thanks for watching video, and please put your comments if you have any doubts. Thank you.